Hello everyone, my name is Kaustubh Krishna Parse and I am from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, and I have done my graduation BSc Bachelor from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and now I am intern with Exchange Softwares Private Limited. So today's date is 20 August 2024 and my core Java topic name is Features of Java. So let's discuss about some features of Java. So first one is platform independence. So platform independence is unlike other programming languages such as C and CPP, which are compiled into a platform specific machines. Java is guaranteed to be the right ones and run anywhere language. On compilation, Java programming is compiled into a bytecode, and this bytecode is platform independence and can be run on any machine. Plus, this bytecode format also provided security. So next point is portable. So portable is a Java bytecode can be carried to any platform. To implementation depends features everything related to storage is predefined. For example, size of primitive data types. Third one is Java is secure. Java is secure because of JVM, security manager, access no pointer, access modifier, access modified, exception handling, and their own memory management. And fourth one point is object oriented. Java is object oriented. Java everything is an object which has some data and behaviors. Java can be easily extended as it based on object models. And fifth one point is robust. In robust, Java makes an effort to eliminate errors prone codes by emphasizing mainly on compile time error, checking the runtime. Compile time error checking and runtime checking, but the main areas which Java improved were memory management and mishandling exceptions by introducing automatically garbage collection and exception handling. And next point is multi-threading. Java multi-threading features makes it possible to write program that can do many tasks simultaneously. Benefits of multi-threading is that it utilizes same memory and other resources to execute multiple threads at the same time, like while typing. Grammatical errors are checked along. Next is simple as compared to C and CPP. Java is easy to learn and its syntax quite easy and simple to English language, clean and easy to understand. The confusing and ambiguous concepts of CPP and either left out in Java, they have been re-implemented in a cleaner way. For example, pointer and operator overloading are not there in overloading are not Java, but were an important of CPP. So 8.1 is a portable. Java bytecode can be carried to any platform. No implementation depends features. Everything related to storage is predefined. Next one is high performance. Java is a interpreted language, so it will never be as fast as compiled language like C and CPP, but Java enables high performance with the use of just-in-time, it means JIT compiler. Next one is distributed. And this is the last point. Java is also distributed language. Distributed language programming can be designed to run the computer network. Java has a special class library for communicating using IP protocols, IP addresses. Creating network communication is very much easy in Java compared to C and CPP. So this is the features of Java, and now is the end. So thank you.